Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some pretty big news to share with you guys. Quite a bit of different updates, so stick around to the end so you can see them all. You're going to love these. First up, we're going to be talking about 5 free new designs with free with premium with Glowforge that I've just put on the shop there. So if you guys ever wanted to try one of my gaming stands, I do officially have one of those on the shop as well for Glowforge's catalog. You can do that for free as long as you have the premium feature. And then later on in this, I'm going to announce a couple more updates here that you guys are going to like too. If you've ever tried any of our designs and you enjoy those, you're going to love this. And I'll just preface that with a question of what's black and white and yellow all over. Just keep that in the back of your head, and I'll answer that here shortly. So let's jump into these free files here. As you can see, this is the top 3 gaming stand design that I made a little while ago. It holds your 3 favorite games and 2 controllers. You can get this right now on the Glowforge free with premium section. I'll show you a quick, easy way to find this and all of my designs here shortly. I just wanted to show you this one here. Let's go to the next one. This is the raised payment stand. This shows you all of your cash or payment options that you offer to your customers. Holds a business card right here in the business card section. You can do a custom engraving on the front, your company name in the middle, and then it has payment methods written on top. This one's always super popular in my shop, and I thought I would bring it to the Glowforge Premium catalog here. Next up is a brand new design here. This is the life point counter. So if you play any kind of card games and you need to track your life points, you can do this with the little spinning gears here. This is a pretty cool little design that you may enjoy, so I thought everybody would get a kick out of that. Next up is the twist sign. This sign, you can twist the little gear on top to spin it around. So like this says open, and then you flip it around, it says close. And right here is the middle of the action when you're spinning it here. And there's that gear that you spin right on top. So that's pretty fun. You can change the letters on this. You can add your own custom letters. So like if you want to put like dirty and clean on it for like dishes or laundry, that'd be a super cool idea as well as any other thing that you want to put on there to show 2 sides of the sign there. And then last but not least, we have our stand-up earring stand. This one has 2 built-in measurements for dangling earrings. And then it's got, I believe it can hold 30 pairs of stud earrings. So you've got all sorts of stud earrings that you can put in the center here. Super fun, super cool. Like I said, to quickly find that, you'll just come to the catalog section, click with free with premium, and it'll bring you here. And then if you scroll down, on the left-hand side under designer, just look for my name, Joshua Wenning, and then parentheses Fresh Start Customs. Check that off, and then all of my designs will show up on the right here. These are all 26 of my designs that are free with the Glowforge Premium software now. And right at the bottom are the brand new 5 new designs here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now to answer that that little riddle that I dropped you guys of what's black and white and yellow all over, it's my new shop redesign on both my main store and my Etsy store. So I'll quickly show you guys that. And then I do have one more announcement too for you guys right after this too, so stick around for that. But here's our main shop. If you scroll down, we got the new header there and kind of reworded our little entry phase here, and then kind of kept the layout the same, but we've changed every single one of our photos. So we updated all of the main photos to have this like yellow layout look here. I'll cover that in just a second and explain why we did that here. But as you can see, it's a lot more visible than what it was before. And then if you scroll down just a little bit more, we now added quick links so you can shop the main site, the Etsy site, find all the recommended tools that I recommend for your laser here. You can join our newsletter right there, and then if you need help with a file, it'll bring you right to our help section. So that's with the main site. Let's go over to the Etsy site here. As you can see, we got a nice big banner. I think it looks great. It all flows together now. So let me explain kind of what I was going for here with these new photos. So as you can see on the top left corner, you have quick access to see what the material is needed for that design. It shows that it's digital download in the bottom right. Before, I used to have a lot of wording up here that kind of explained all of that and what was needed. But now I just have a call to action to see the item details for more information. This gives a lot more space to view the photos and more clearly. If you want to see the old photos, I kept most of those as the last picture now. So if you want to see what it looked like previously, this is what it looked like previously. As you can see, there's a large banner plus this extra banner and then the bottom layer too. So it kind of shrunk down the photos quite a bit there. And I think it pretty much clearly, concisely shows you what is all needed there. And then as far as the layout of it goes, I was kind of going off of the theme of like a baseball card with these little windows here to capture people's attention. And then the inside theme, some of these look like comic book covers almost, where they're cut out in like comic squares. So I kind of merged the two things that I enjoy together. So I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. And it gives it a whole unified look throughout the shop here. As you can see, they're all pretty much consistently unified throughout the shop. I think it looks great. Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the updates of that. Now, for the last update here, I want you guys to go back to the main site here. If you scroll up towards the top, you'll see our link to join our newsletter up top here. It'll bring you to this page here. You can sign up for our newsletter there. We're going to be starting to do giveaways randomly, probably once a month to start off, maybe a little bit more often. So if you're not signed up for the newsletter, I'm working on different unique ways to do that. I was thinking kind of like where you guys could pick and choose what you want to win kind of deal, or still working all of that out. So that's a work in progress. But I can't wait to see where we go from here. I hope you guys enjoy all the updates. You enjoy all 5 of these free new designs here. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the new shopping experience with the designs. I am trying to put out some of my best designs yet in the future. So keep an eye out on that, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.